Hi friends, today we're going to be working on list 3. I'm going to say the word 3 times. I'm going to help you sound it out, and we're going to talk about the sounds that each letter makes, and then I'm going to use it in a sentence, so please follow along. The first word is he. He. And in this word, the E says E because it's an open syllable and it can run away. E. A sentence we could use is he is my friend. The next word is that. That. In this word, the TH says th, the A says a, the T says t, at. A sentence we could use is that is where I sit in my classroom. The next word is on. On. The O says ah, the N says n, ah, n. A sentence we could use is Dave is sitting on the floor. The next word is but. But. It's not the kind of but you're probably laughing about. This is but like I want to go outside, but I have to finish my work first. The B says b, the U says the T says t, b, t. The next word is with. With. The W says w, the I says I, the TH says w, I. A sentence we could use is I love to play with my friends outside. Next word is kind of a tricky word. It's there. The TH says th, and the ER says air, and the E is silent. It doesn't really follow the rules. There. A sentence we could use is it is really cold out there. The next word is be. The B says b, the E says E because it's an open syllable and it can run away. E. A sentence we could use is I want to be Elsa for Halloween. The next word is am. The A says a, the M says m. A sentence we could use is I am a teacher, or you could say I am a student. The next word is did. The D says d, the I says I, the D says d, id. A sentence we could use is I just did all my work. The next word is so. The S says, the O says O because it's an open syllable and it could run away. A sentence we could use is I love tacos so much. The next word is was. And this word is kind of tricky. The W says w, the A actually says and the S says z, z. A sentence we could use is Mrs. Swam was my kindergarten teacher. The next word is she. The SH says sh, the E says E because it's an open syllable and it can run away. Sh-e. A sentence we could use is she is in my first grade class. The next word is they. This is also a tricky word. The TH says th, the EY says a. So it doesn't really follow the rules. They. A sentence we could use is they are in PE right. The EY says a. So it doesn't really follow the rules. They. A sentence we could use is they are in PE right now. The next word is at. The A says a, the T says t, at. A sentence we could use is, I had fun at art class today. The next word is all. All. In this word, the A says ah, and the LL just says one O sound, so ah, O, all. A sentence we could use is, all of my friends like to go to music. The next word is out. Out. In this word, the OU says ow, which is called a diphthong, and the T says out. A sentence we could use is, I wish we could go out for recess right now. The next word is have. Have. Now this word is tricky because it looks like have if we follow the magic E word rule. But in this word, the A says a, and the B says v, and the E is silent. We don't change the A to the long sound. Have. And a sentence we could use is, I have one brother at home. The next word is do. Do. In this word, the D says d, and the O says oo, not ah. Do. And a sentence we could use is, I like to do my work. Our next word is what. What. In this word, the WH says w, the AT says or the A says and the T says w, t. And a sentence we could use is, what is your favorite color? Our last word is get. Get. The G says g, the E says the T says t, get. And a sentence we could use is, I will go get my backpack at the end of the day. All right, that's it for list 3. Good job following along, friends.